Making the stencil. First I attach my reference to a light source. Here I'm using a window. You can also use a light box. Next I place printer paper over the top. I tape this down in order for it not to move around. Using a pencil I draw out the features. I don't put any detail in, just how they are. I trace over the things I can see easiest. Sometimes you have to push the paper down in order to see where these features are. I'm going to speed this up. I work my way around the face, sketching out the features I can see, giving indications of the direction of hair. This reference has large eyelashes. Drawing around the lips. Indication of the nostrils. And the side there. Oh, slightly wrong. That's okay. We'll just adjust that. I'm having difficulties now seeing where these lines are. So I use the flip technique just to give me visual clues. And the hair, direction. Now we need to get the chin. It's very hard to see. There we go. Now it's time to take this to the cutting mat. Using an X-Acto blade number 11, I start to cut out the lines I've made. If the edge is straight, I try to keep it a nice smooth line. When I cut out the eyebrows, I make lots and lots and lots of incisions. And these build up on top of each other, and this will create a natural organic edge. It takes a bit of time, but it's worth it. I'm just going to speed this up a little. Smooth away all the bits, and repeat. When you cut the eyelashes out, you're just cutting out a series of pyramids. I take my time and try and cut as many out as I can. This is very fiddly. Don't worry if you cut through one. We can fix that when we actually start painting. I'll speed this up again. I work my way around the eye, but I'm careful not to cut out all the parts. And the nostrils, fix that line there. When it comes to the lips, I twist my blade to create an organic edge. Cut the neck out, nice smooth curve for the chin, up the side of the face, and a few of the hairs. Again, if you go over like I've done there, it's okay. We can fix it in the painting. Then we take out the nose. I twist the blade in the direction I want it to go. Twisting the blade again to create a nice organic edge. And back to our pyramid cutting. And the iris. And there we go. Let's pull apart some bits. So now we can pull the lips out. Nostrils. We'll cut the eyes out as we need them. And onto the painting.